Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws on the back of the base cover. Remove the 7 screws securing the cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges to lift it off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the battery and remove the 3 screws to lift it out of the system. Find the hard drive bracket and disconnect the cables. Remove the 4 screws and lift the bracket out of the system. Disconnect the cables and remove the 4 screws securing the hard drive to the bracket. Lift the hard drive out of the bracket. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the bracket. Tighten the 4 screws and reconnect the cables to secure it. Put the bracket back in the system and install the 4 screws. Reconnect the cables. Place the battery in the system and secure it with the 3 screws. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.